Welcome back. Today we are discussing why documenting calibration results is critical for legal protection, regulatory compliance, and long-term quality assurance in manufacturing and laboratory environments. What is calibration documentation? Calibration documentation is the formal record of comparing a measurement instrument to a known reference standard. It includes measured values, associated uncertainties, environmental conditions, and traceability information that proves accuracy at a specific point in time. Why does calibration documentation matter for compliance? Quality standards such as ISO 9001, AS 9100, and IATF 16949 require documented evidence that equipment performs within specifications. Auditors verify that calibration records exist, remain current, and demonstrate traceability to recognized standards. How does calibration documentation provide legal protection? Calibration certificates serve as defensible evidence that measurement systems operated correctly. In product liability disputes, complete documentation demonstrates due diligence and helps protect manufacturers from liability exposure. What must an ISO-compliant calibration certificate include? An ISO-compliant certificate must clearly identify the laboratory, include a unique certificate number, list the customer and equipment details, document calibration dates, report measurement results with uncertainties, state environmental conditions, and confirm traceability to recognized standards. What is metrological traceability? Metrological traceability means that a measurement result can be linked to a recognized reference standard through a documented and unbroken chain of calibrations, each contributing to the stated measurement uncertainty. Why are laboratory conditions important during calibration? Controlled laboratory environments reduce measurement uncertainty by stabilizing temperature, humidity, and vibration. These controlled conditions allow more precise calibrations than uncontrolled field environments. Do calibration requirements vary by industry? Yes, automotive, aerospace, and medical device industries maintain different calibration requirements based on regulatory standards and customer expectations. Each industry demands documentation that matches its specific compliance framework. How should organizations establish calibration intervals? Calibration intervals should be based on manufacturer recommendations, historical performance data, equipment usage frequency, environmental conditions, and measurement criticality. ISO standards require organizations to justify their chosen intervals. What should you do when equipment fails calibration? When equipment is found out of tolerance, you must document the as-found condition, evaluate potential impact on previous measurements, investigate root causes, perform necessary adjustments, and document all corrective actions taken. What makes calibration documentation legally defensible? Legally defensible documentation includes complete traceability statements, clearly stated measurement uncertainties, environmental condition records, technician identification, and tamper-resistant controls. Accredited laboratory certificates provide additional credibility. Hurka Metrology has supported manufacturers across the Southeast since 1970 with accredited calibration services and comprehensive documentation packages. Our team helps ensure your measurement systems meet regulatory, audit, and legal expectations. Accurate measurement is only part of the equation. Proper documentation protects your organization during audits, recalls, and legal challenges. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.